In this video, I'm gonna show you how to install Java in your Windows system. Open your browser and search for Java JDK download. Open the official Oracle link, mostly it'll be the first result in the page. Scroll down until you see different operating systems list. Select your appropriate operating system in the option. Mine is Windows. Select your convenient installer file from the page. Once downloaded, open the installer with admin privileges. Click Next in the installer window. Select the path where you want to install Java in your system. Click Next to begin the installation. You'll get an Install Success window once the installation is complete. To verify if Java is correctly installed in your system, open Command Prompt. Type Java-version as the command. You'll get an output of your installed Java version in Command Prompt. This way, you can check and verify whether Java is properly installed. I'll see you in the next one.